Getting guidance from the best teachers is what every student aspires for, right? Making it accessible to each and every striving student is what we aim for. Hello everyone, this is Sarthak from FUNDA CHEMISTRY. Hoping you all in pink of health and doing your best. So as we all know that CPET 2021 PG entrance is round the corner and everyone is busy with revising all the syllabus, right? So what if I tell you I can help you with your preparation and give you all the important notes, your question banks, so that you can easily crack the exam within just 20 days. Sounds cool, right? So see, last minute preparation are always a risk when you are all over the place with a dilemma of what to study and what not to study. So our 20 days interactive course is just waiting for you. We promise to provide you with the best guidance from the best teachers with daily revision tests along with question banks, short notes and live classes for your easy understanding. Okay. So in this crash course, you will get complete video lectures of all the main topics like spectroscopy, coordination chemistry, quantum chemistry. All the main topics will be covered. Alright. You will also get live classes, best short revision notes, daily assignments. Along with, you will get question bank and a special designed doubt clearing session. This will be your live doubt clearing session. Okay. So this course will be starting from August 1 onwards. Join our interactive classes today and do not miss the chance. Get guided from the best. You will learn new techniques and tricks to solve all the questions and quizzes to test your knowledge. Okay. So coming back to course fees, this is a paid course. You have to pay 499 rupees. You will get all the facilities at 499 rupees only. So hurry up guys and register now and be a winner. For registration, our registration starts on 27th July, that is from today, and our last date of registration is 31st July. So if you are interested to join the course, you can mail us on fundachemistry@gmail.com or you can join our Telegram channel. The link is in the description box. You can join there and you can register for this crash course. Okay, so hurry up guys